Howdy! Today we're going to take a look at a very handy item indeed. It is the butane camping stove. This one is by BUSHBABY. I assume they come under many names. It's a small little gas stove, gas powered stove. And yeah, it's very useful for everything from doing experiments to cooking demonstrations to actually cooking in the kitchen to taking it on picnics and cooking food there, of course. So let's have a look at it inside. Yeah, this is actually a new one I bought for myself, so I thought I would unbox it in front of the camera while I'm discussing it. Let's just see all the information here. Gas canister not included. Yes, I got my gas canister right here. You buy them separately. This case is only to pack the stove, no seeing it as a part of the stove. Yeah, it's alright. What does it say here? Automatic ignition and so on and so on. Yeah, that we'll see when we work the thing. Let's take off this cardboard thingy. Portable gas stove, it says there. So, let's put the case down and yeah, then you can open it. Very handy little carry case. Seems we actually have it upside down now. But anyway, yeah, I know some people just keep it in the suitcase and then open the case and then use the stove in there. I don't think that's very wise, because this is just plastic that can melt and probably catch fire. But yeah, also hasn't happened yet with the people that do that. So anyway, there's your little stove. This model anyway, I know you also get smaller models. There's a stove. You just turn here and it'll ignite by itself. Yeah. Oh, there's a little booklet. Instructions for operating, but alright, I think I know how to operate it. What you do is, first you take your gas canister, remove the red top. This part, of course, as you can see, opens up, and you lift that little thingy. You see this gas canister, let me just show you, this ring has a little gap in there. That gap must go right in here with this thingy, otherwise it won't work. Oh, it seems there's like a pipe or a hole there. So we put the little nozzle in there, like so. Yeah, there we go. This must fit into the gap. You see, then it's sort of secure. And we close this. And now we just need to lock it in place for it to start. What this will do is push forward the gas canister so that the gas can start coming out. Now what's wrong? Something seems to be wrong here. Oh, I think I see what was wrong here. This thing needed to be off first. Let's test that again. If it's on, then this thing is locked. Yeah, it needs to be off, gas needs to be off, then it can lock into place. Okay, that's nice and very much safer, I would say. So now you know, if you have trouble locking or unlocking the gas canister, it's probably this, what do you call it, a dial or switch that's not turned off. It has to be in the off position, the gas has to be turned off. And yeah, then it moves really easy, you see. Of course, now to start operating it, you just turn this. Turn it all the way and it will turn on, and then you can turn it down a bit if you so like. To get it off, you just turn this again. Flames off. Flames on. Adjust the flame, and flames off. Flames go on, flames go off. Flames go on, and flames adjust, bigger or smaller. And that's basically how easy it is to operate. Now all you do is place your water on it, or your pan if you want to fry eggs or whatever, and yeah, turn it on, and now your water should start boiling after a few moments. Works almost immediately, of course, because it's got an open flame. It's not like an electric stove that first takes about 3 or 4 minutes to heat up. This one is pretty easy, yeah. Gas canisters, well, the prices vary a lot. So far what I've seen is these BUSHBABY types. The BUSHBABY brand, no more explosion. Thank goodness for that. They are the least expensive ones. You do get ones that are literally double or even more of the cost of this one. Of course you want the cheapest one, because otherwise it's just not gonna be economical to work with this stove. Of course, once you're done, you can carry it in this little carry case, or you can leave it open if this is gonna be your regular stove at home. What happened? Did I put it the wrong way around again? No, I don't think so. Oh, I remember, this thing was upside down. Yeah, these little, what do you call them? Supports. They stand out a bit, so if you want to put it back, you gotta keep it upside down. Oh, but it seems now won't fit in as long as there's a gas canister in there. Is that right? Let's just test that out quickly. Unlock, take out, close. Oh yeah, you can see there was a little metal thingy that stopped this from fitting in there. But now that it's unlocked, this thing fits in perfectly into the frame. And then of course it'll fit into the suitcase. Close that up. And you can carry your stove, yeah. Apparently they don't want you to be carrying a gas canister inside a suitcase. I don't know if it'll explode or whatever is the reasoning behind it. But yeah, there is your gas stove. Very convenient, I must say, and they certainly do come in handy because they are so portable. Alright then, thank you for watching. You got some homework. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed. And we'll talk again. Peace.